This is the performance summary for week 37 of 2024, which was the week ending on September 13th. Let's begin by inputting the starting and ending balances. Starting balance was on Friday, September 6th. And the ending balance was on September 13th. So in my account, I made a little over $1,600 last week, which is a percentage gain of 6.06%. And let's put in the trades. We go to the trade list on my website here, and we copy these 5. So the theoretical gain for last week was 5.93%. So it's pretty close to the actual P&L, which was 6.06%. Now let's go through these trades one by one. Broadcom was a really, really good trade. It was up 20.5%. So, but we were trading it at a fraction of 13%. So here's how that trade looked. So we have a sell-off here in the week prior, and so we got in here and we got out here. So that's what the strategy does. It just to remind viewers, it's looking for stocks in the S&P 100, which is a large cap index, that are doing relatively well to the other stocks in the universe. But those stocks should be in a sell-off condition, and that's when it buys the stock to profit from a snapback. And this is a prime example of how that works. Broadcom. Next one was American Express. There we made 4.3%. Same pattern here. There was a sell-off in the prior week, and so we got in here and we got out here. Costco, we made 3.5%. Entered here and exited here. Next is Meta, made 3.65, and we bought here, sold here. And finally was Nvidia, which was also a really strong trade. Made 13.6% on that one. So buy here and sell here. So let's look at how the P&L looks on a cumulative basis. So this is how our equity curve looks as of this past Friday. We're at a all-new high. And so since we went live with this system back in the start of June, I'm up $2,671, which is a percentage gain of 10.39%. So it's going pretty well, I would say, so far. Now let's look at the longer term equity curve. This is the equity curve of weekly reversion strategy going back to 1994. And as you can see right here on the right side, we are at a new high. Let me zoom in, maybe since, let's say 2013. So this is how the equity curve looks. Here we are. Let me zoom in a little more. Go back to 2021. And here we are on the right side. So that's the performance review for week 37 of 2024. If you want to learn more about my strategy, weekly reversion strategy, feel free to visit my website at returnstream.com. I've got a link to the page in the description box below. Thank you for watching.